Hi everyone, and welcome to my DIY video on how to convert free pallets into useful household items and furniture. Pallets are a great source of free materials, and with a little creativity, you can turn them into all sorts of things. In this video, I'll show you how to make a few simple projects from pallets. First, we'll make a bookshelf. To do this, we'll need to disassemble the pallet and cut the boards to size. Then, we'll simply screw the boards together to create a sturdy bookshelf. Next, we'll make a coffee table. For this project, we'll need to use a few different tools, including a saw, a drill, and a sander. We'll start by cutting the pallet boards to size. Then, we'll drill holes in the boards and attach them together with screws. Finally, we'll sand the coffee table to give it a smooth finish. Finally, we'll make a plant stand. This project is even simpler than the bookshelf and coffee table. All we need to do is cut a pallet board to size and drill a hole in the center. Then, we can insert a plant pot into the hole. These are just a few ideas for how you can use pallets to create useful household items and furniture. With a little creativity, you can turn these free materials into something beautiful and functional. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start converting some pallets. Here are some additional tips for converting pallets into useful household items and furniture. When disassembling pallets, be sure to wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. When using power tools, be sure to follow all safety instructions. Sand all pallet boards before using them to ensure a smooth finish. Use a sealant to protect your finished projects from the elements. With a little care and attention, you can create beautiful and functional pieces of furniture from free pallets. So, get creative and have fun.